Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh my goodness, it's been forever. Let's make sure the eye looks kind of good. Hey guys, welcome back. It's been ages. Well, not really, but I took a break. Life was lifing me, so that's why. I have my monitor here, so I'm going to be looking just to make sure I'm in focus, okay? Because this girl is kind of blind, so I need to have like a monitor like really close to me so I can see. Guys, welcome back. I'm so excited to be back. So let's get into this video. We are still using the Lina Lashes B palette. I love this palette. It's such an everyday wearable, palette. However, it's bulky, as you can tell, so like it's not for travel purpose, but the colors are like really wearable. I feel like this palette is amazing for like glam everyday palette. I'm just showing you guys the shades that I used because this was supposed to be a talk through video, but this video was too long and I was like, I'm not about to edit that long video. And so I'm priming my eyes with the ABH primer. I love that primer so much. And then I'm just, using the shades from the palette. This is kind of like a wine brownish shade. It's such a pretty matte shade, guys. One thing I like about this palette is like this palette is so creamy. The shades blend like a dream. They just blend so well. And I just love it. Like, I would say get your hands on it. If you're looking for like a cohesive palette, you should get your hands on it. And there's also a black, so that's a plus, okay? And then I'm using my glitter glue from NYX, and I'm just using that for the shimmers. I like to use that because it literally like makes my eyeshadow pop, and there's little to no fallout when I do that. And as usual, I'm blending. You guys, you can never overblend. Well, maybe you can, but you can overblend, okay? And then I'm just going with my liner, and I'm using Lina Lashes, one of our lashes. Now I don't know the name of the lashes because I threw the box away, but it is what it is. And then I'm going in with the Fenty primer. This is the soft matte primer, the OG primer, and this primer is bomb. And then I'm going in with my Estee Lauder Double Wear and the Beauty Bakery in 313, and the Estee Lauder, I think it's in Espresso. I mixed both and it's chef's kiss, so beautiful. And then I use the ABH new concealer and Fenty Beauty concealer as well, and then I'm using Fenty Beauty Match Stick as well to contour. It's more of like bronzer. I love it, and I think this is in mocha also. I'll put all the products and the names in the description bar, so check the description bar for the shade names and all that. Yeah, everything was just blending. I was just like I love my makeup now because everything was just blending and blending and blending, and as usual I'm blending as well. Then I'm also going to be setting my face with the Patrick Star and MAC powder. I've had that powder for a while, but like I never used it. And guys, if you can still get your hands on it, get your hands on it because it's such a pretty powder. But as you can tell, I'm always blending, so you guys take your time to blend. Like it takes me like a good 30 minutes to blend. So I'm just pressing that to my skin. It's like a translucent powder, so it has no color. And then I'm going with my Fenty Beauty bronzer in Mocha Mami. That bronzer is like amazing. You see how like warm I'm looking and just like just sun-kissed. I like that kind of color. I like that brown warm shade. And then I'm just doing the same thing that I did on top of my eyes to the bottom lash, going in with that same like burgundy brown shade, and then the black. And then I'm using this Milani Red Vino blush. Like Milani has one of my favorite blushes from like the drugstore. It's such an affordable like blush. And then I'm using this my Kevin O'Con powder. I don't remember the name, but this is like an old powder. I don't even know if you can get it, but like I never used it, so I'm like, I need to use things that I haven't been using. And then I use this makeup addiction highlighter in Bronzified baby. And my lips are from Juvia's Place, basically from the Christmas collection last year. And then I use this Kiko number 2 and the Essence Shine gloss, and baby, the lips are lip-sync. The lips are popping. Anyways, let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. We really need to get this channel popping. Okay, so please share with your ex-girlfriends, your situationships, everything. Oh, join. Thank you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video.